Basketball, you betcha I'm back, ready to go with another fitness workout to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed. Each and every day for the game that you love to play, the Daily Trainer is ready to get you underway. Basketball, this is going to be basically air jump roping, okay? With air jump roping, you're just working the consistency of the jump, really working that exercise. There's a timing that goes with the jump rope, and it's a big thing of, making sure you don't hit your legs, stepping on the jump rope. But with this, you can just keep the consistency, keep it easy, and we're working those arm circles too, okay? So I know you're familiar with that. So just a nice, easy bounce on it, okay? Getting those arm circles. The timing of the arm motion and your feet don't matter as much like it does with the jump rope, but you're okay. Again, nice and easy. I like to go side to side. Just keeps me like in a fun motion of being able to keep the consistency of the jump without getting bored. And then once those calves start burning, you don't want to do too much jumping. But anyway, 50 to 100 jumps, okay? Small jump. Then we're gonna go into our big air jumps that we want to do as we are looking to be better rebounders off the vertical, okay? So big jump, boom, right? So there's that double jump. And you can do the arm circles kind of slow, but it's really creating that jump to try to tip and fight for the rebound. And that's just another version of the double jump with that, okay? So now when we look at that, we want to make sure the biggest thing that we're focusing on is that explosion, and we're not going to get a chance to go all the way down into a squat jump. So really when we land, we want to be able to pop right back up, all right? Perfect, great job. Keep it rolling too. We want to do about 10 to 15 there. Okay, so now we got high knees or knee thrusters, okay? Just keeping it simple. Again, you can run in place, you don't have to run forward. All these are easy in place, small area workouts, okay? So basically what we'll be doing is we'll be keeping those knees high and we're just tapping, 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 tapping. You can go to whatever level you want, and we're gonna do it for about 20 seconds. That would probably be a little bit over half court, maybe. No, it'll be a full court. About 20 seconds of a run, there and back, right? Good, okay, so pretty easy. Really gets those hips going, moving, active, burning, like everything else that we're doing here. And again, you just want to keep them high as possible, leveraging those hands. If you want them to be higher, and you want to extend higher to get that knee, that's fine. I think that's great for you. So keep working. Really try to get them up higher as you continue to do these. Okay, last thing that we're going to get into is a couple series with the lines, okay? You can find a line on the court, you can put tape down, or you can use like something real small like a shoe and just step over it, step under it, just keep it rolling that way, okay? So we're gonna go quick feet first, and we're gonna go north and south, then we're gonna go east and west, okay? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go left, right, bam, over, quick, quick, come on, move. Oh yeah, it's like a little dance, right? A little salsa. Come on, dance with me. Let's go. Oh yeah, we working, right? So we're working there. And then we're just gonna use a small range, nothing crazy. And we're gonna go east and west. So a little bit of a directional, right? So bam, left, right, left, right. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, oh, and we back. What are we doing? Oh, my dance moves. I love them. I gotta take a little bit of a salsa class, okay? That's what I'm gonna do next, okay? I love it, I love it. Okay, so again, that warms those quads up quick, calves start burning, everything is good, right? We feel good, okay? Now we're gonna go 2 feet at the same time, very similar to what we did there, okay? So we're not gonna go laterally though, we're just gonna go north and south. Oh yeah, you hear me breathing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, yeah, whoa. Come on, basketball, you. Hey, remember what I said. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? Okay? You should never not be able to answer that question when asked. Okay? You have to make sure you are in the best shape. It's going to give you an opportunity to compete with the more elite. All right? So then we're going to go side to side. So now, just so you can kind of move a little bit, we'll go side to side like that. Okay? Using this line again, using both feet. Right? Working that movement when you got that ball in your hand, right? When you got that ball in your hand and you're kind of doing the Euros and the step throughs, this is what that kind of does for you, right? So you're going back and forth, about 20 to 30 seconds of that, and that's their warm up right there. Now we got mountain climbers. So we're gonna get right into those. If you've never done those before, again, here's a quick example of it, and then we're gonna get right into it, all right? So everything that I'm gonna give you, there should be an example of it each time. And if I forget one of the times, come on, man, I'm gonna be doing these exercises every day with you, so you'll be good to go. All right? So if you haven't seen it today, you'll see it another day, okay? So to kind of ease that variation of what it looks like, bam, we're gonna start going, okay? It's like a plank almost, but those legs are bent, and then you're gonna speed it up. Come on, come on. Speed it up. Good. Stay with me. Stay with me. If I'm sweating, you're gonna be sweating. So let's keep sweating together. I want you eating potato chips and then watching this, figuring out how I got buff, how I got a six pack. Good. I want you to get one with me. Come on, man. That's where you use the fitness part. I know you want to see some more encore stuff. I got you. Don't you worry. And again, I'm gonna have other people working out because you guys want me to do fitness. Y'all want me out here dunking. You want me out here going through the legs. You want me to make every shot. When I get to sleep. I'm not even gonna get to sleep. Come on, basketball. You only one guy. I appreciate you coming through. Let's keep working. All right, I'm gonna end it with this, and I'm gonna talk to you while I'm doing it. This is everybody's favorite. Okay, so you can do it with a basketball. I'm gonna do it a little bit with a basketball. Okay, wall sit. Very easy, right? So we're here, we're sitting on that wall, piece of cake. Now, don't cheat it and start leaning forward. Try to get in that chair, try to relax, right? So you got the ball to kind of keep you busy. And again, you can do ball things, right? To keep it active, right? You can move it around your legs a little bit, which yes, it does make you lean a little forward, but it kind of keeps your mind off of, right? Because I can sit here for a while and do this, right? All right. So you can use this, you can squeeze it, you can put it between your legs and squeeze, which is great because it's good for your core, right? But then it starts burning these, so it starts shaking. So there's a lot of things that you can do with the basketball, and it's just really awesome to be able to sit down and be getting some work done, right? Okay. So again, basketball U, as we end this workout, you've completed it. Okay. You can cool down with like a little walk or some different stretches, and we're pretty much finished. Basketball U, thank you for coming through. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We're doing this every day. Are you gonna be with me? I hope so. And remember, someone's always working. Are you? Better be.